48. With any divorce that involves children, making sure the kids are provided for is an important piece of the puzzle. And even though many folks think child support ends at the age of 18, Mississippi law keeps kids supported until 21, or at least until the child is emancipated by marriage or self-support. And our friend and attorney Mark Chinn is here with more details on child support. How are you?
I'm great. Good morning.
Glad to have you with us. So let's talk about how child support is calculated first.
Well, one of the biggest misconceptions that people do have is that child support stops at 18. And as you pointed out, child support in Mississippi generally continues until age 21 or until a child marries or enters the military. So from that standpoint, Mississippi is actually in the forefront of taking care of children. Child support is calculated pursuant to a child support statute. For one child, a payer would pay 14% of their net take-home pay. 2 children is 20%. 3 children is 22% of net take-home pay, which means whatever you bring home after deduction of required federal, state, and Social Security taxes.
Now, why 21?
Why 21?
Yes.
Well, 21 has generally been considered the age that a person becomes an adult. And in Mississippi, they've decided that people need to be supported until they become an adult. As I said, most of the other states is age 18. That's just a decision that our legislature has made.
All right, and is the parent that supports responsible for providing the support, also responsible for providing for the child's education, like private school or even college?
There are differences among the judges as to what they might require. There is case law which supports the payment of private school education expenses if that has been the practice of the family before they became involved in the divorce practice. So private school education expenses can be covered by child support.
And is the battle between child support something that, in your experience, been something that is contentious against the two parents?
It was the hope of the legislature when they passed a statute setting forth the percentages that the contest would be taken out of child support. So as a rule, we don't have a lot of trouble resolving child support issues.
And do you see, is it more of a mother with the children, or is it more a father with the children?
Child support and custody is changing on a day-to-day basis. As we know, women are in the workplace just as much as men. We also know that men are playing a greater role in the upbringing of children than traditionally was thought to be the case. So child support, child custody is changing on a daily basis to accommodate the mixture of work and support and care of the children.
And when you get involved with this, how are you helping the parents resolve the problems without being contentious?
Well, the first thing we like to do is talk about the fact that the most important thing to think about is the children. People have a choice in how they handle their marriage problems, and children become very seriously affected by conflict between the parents. So we urge our clients to think first about the children and to resolve any disputes regarding visitation, custody, and support without conflict.
And for folks that want more information about you, where can they find some?
I'd like to send them to my website at chinandassociates.com, and they can find out all about our law firm from that website.
Again, that's all one word, chinandassociates.com.
chinandassociates.com.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Always good to have you.
It's always great to be here.
He's already got some really good topics. He's already probably working on something for the next one, next time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.